Well, good morning. I guess I'll have to do something I didn't really plan on doing. This old Case 800. Stuck solid as can be. So I'm going to have to pull the heads, clean it up, get it unstuck, and we'll go from there. Anyhow, well, I was thinking telephone later. Okay, I'm back. Just got a call from the guy that's wanting to buy this tractor. And he wasn't too happy. I told him the engine was stuck. And he asked if I might want to sell it the way it is, and I said I might. But he said he'd be here might come over next week, take a look at it. I told him I'd probably have it back together and running by that time. So, I don't know, I better get to work and see what happens. Okay. Oh, yeah. I was looking there on YouTube and I see they got some new subscribers. Thanks to my friend Chucky. Yeah. Well, thanks everybody for taking a look. If you see anything, send me a email or something there. If you see anything that you want me to tell you about or whatever. Alright, that's all for now. Yeah, I got the valve covers off. That thing looks kind of dirty and rusty. It sure don't look like it's been run for a long time. But I guess I did have it run about 5 years ago. So, I don't know. Looks like we'll have to do a wire brush and air hose and start cleaning before we take any more apart. Okay, that's all for now. That looks a little better. Here's something you need to check first thing when you mess with an old tractor. None stuck. That's a good thing. Well, kind of break time. I gotta go up to the house and get some clean tin cans to put the bolts in. And a bucket to catch the antifreeze. I'll be back. Well, I've been at it about an hour already. Them head bolts, nuts, so tight. I'd use 18-inch bar. With a 2-foot extension on it. I must be getting weak. Anyhow, heads are loose. They weren't stuck down, but I had trouble getting the manifold off. I think I'll put the bolts, manifold bolts back on, tighten it down, get the chain, yeah, put a ratchet up there, take the heads of the manifold off at the same time. Might save me a little time and trouble. Alright, that's all for now. I'm back at it. I was just up the house, had me a ham sandwich. Put a cable up there to that old board. Some chains here. Looks like it might work. I don't know what'll happen when it clears them studs. I guess we'll find out. One of them are gonna go flying all over the place. Whoops. Oh, come on. Whoop. I got a little snag. Yeah. Hell, where do we put this thing? Well, I'll show you anything or not, but let's see. We need a little helper.
Yeah, got the head off. Now let's see what we got. Well, that's clean. Yeah, a little rusty there. That one's clean. This tractor was supposed to have been like new. That must be the one that's stuck. I put oil in these others and it's kind of run down in front and the back. Must be the two middle ones. Now I gotta figure out how. Oh, I suppose I crank that up to the seal and I'll have room to work. Alright, that's enough for now. Oh, I don't know where I'll get this run today or not. But if not, oh, I'll work on it. I gotta haul some stuff down to the auction for this week. Tomorrow. And Thursday gotta go down to the auction and buy some more goodies. But we'll have this run in a couple days. Okay, that's all for now. Oh, yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube, and I'll put this on YouTube right away. That's enough for today. That's all. Bye. Well, that wasn't so bad. I got this pipe thing here I made. And 3 or 4 whacks with a hammer on each one. And let's see whether it'll show up on the camera. Watch that fan there. You see that? That means it's not stuck anymore. Of course, it's a long ways from being loose completely. But when you get started, you just keep at it until everything goes good. Alright, that's all for now.